Alright, I'm gonna do the painting now. Or coloring. It's not really painting. This is Shimmerz Spritz Tuscan Sun. The next step is using your blow dryer. I forgot to do the sides. Don't forget to do that. Next one is Jeni Blue, and these are Vibez from Shimmerz. It's supposed to go like this. Do not shake them. You saw what happens when you shake them. It's not a good thing. It's annoying. Okay, let me think of what I'm gonna do. I think I'll do another layer. And this one is, what is this one? Oh, Deep Blue Sea. Okay, I'm gonna finish the other side. Alright, this is the last video for this project. Now, I put the decals over top of my coloring and tissue paper. I think the last time I did one, I put the tissue paper on, then I put the decal on, and then I put more Mod Podge over top of it, and then I gessoed it. So just to let you know, I mean, I like it, but I think I like the other way I did better. So just to let you know. But this side I finished, and I did the top. Well, I wanted to show you, like, this is with it, the extra paint. This is without. Some people might like it like that. I like it like this. I did the top ones and the side. So now I'm gonna do this side with you. So how did I start it? Let me think. I think I did. I'm gonna do this right here first. I like to use let me see. I'm gonna do the Inklingz. It's me and Bleu. It's shimmery. And I just used one of my acrylic brushes that I bought a long time ago. I like it. It's flat. It's flat. So I can go like this really softly, and it doesn't get too bad on the inside of everything. So now with these, when you first open them, spritz them with some water. I just get a little bit on there. And I just hold it to the side. Just kind of drag it on there. It was really easy on the other side because the way I did it, it was a lot more defined, I guess you'd say. I love these Shimmerz paints. And I'm not worried about total coverage because it just doesn't matter too much to me. You can see where the texture paste started to crackle and get these little cracks in it, and I kind of like that. So this just brings these out a little bit more. Makes them a little more noticeable. Make sure it's still recording randomly. I hate that. I hate it when it cuts off. Just very lightly. And the reason why I don't worry about it being too precise is because sometimes I use a pit pen to outline these things to make them stand out a little bit better. I don't know if I'm going to do that with this one though. I haven't decided. There, I think that makes it stand out a little bit more with that dark blue. And it's a nice little shimmer to it. And then what I did with the other side, I wanted it to have like a metal look to it. So I used, let me find it. Well, first of all, what I did is I used this Thunderstorm Creameez. You can see how it is. Just put a little bit of water in there. Stir it up a little bit. It's so strange not having music going. But I didn't realize that it was when I was videotaping it. I thought I had it low enough, but I guess apparently I didn't. do this side. The next one I used was no one's chrome. It's Inklingz, so it's going to have a nice little shimmer to it. Very nice. I'm loving it. Alright, the next I use it's Inklingz, so it's nice and shimmery, and it's called Burnished Buckle. I like it a lot. Looks pretty cool. So there it is. That side. Man, this thing is heavy. There's that side. Alright, I am going to blow dry it. And when you blow dry these things, use cool air, not heat. And I will be back and we will varnish. Alright, so I'm going to varnish this. I guess that's about right. And I use this. It says it's non-yellowing protection for oil, acrylic, and watercolor. And it's acid free. You shake it up for like a minute. Alright. I'm going to try to stay out of camera. I'm kind of shy. And you let it dry for 15 minutes. I always do like 4 coats. And when we come back, we can add some jewels to it, stuff like that. All right, I will be back in a few hours.